Hello, teachers, principals, and school leaders. This 2.5 minute video can change the online teaching style. So let's watch it. Hello, everyone. This is Principal Anil Kumar. I am here again with my new video, and I am very thankful to you for giving much love to my previous videos about the use of Zoom app in online learning. So friends, today's video is for teachers, principal and all the school leaders who are giving online classes these days. And I promise that after viewing this video, you can bring a spectacular change in your teaching process. You might be thinking that what type of video it is. It is not moving, yes. Yes friends, this is my today's topic. So dear leaders, if we are taking online classes, there may be some problem, sometimes net problem is there, and sometimes it may happen that all the students may not get login at the same time, and you may not be able to record the classes so that the students may watch the recorded classes again and again if they have not got the point. And moreover, primary classes and middle classes students may not be able to hold such classes. Okay, so without wasting time, let me show one another picture video. And smaller objects में, near and far objects में, and top and bottom objects में. तो इसमें हम दो की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अभी. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? सर्कल द बिगर ऑब्जेक्ट. यस स्टूडेंट्स, एक ग्रुप में 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपको दिए हैं. देयर आर 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन वन ग्रुप. आपको देखना है कि उसमें से बिगर कौन. यू मे कॉल दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियोज एज पिक वॉइस. It gives students more realistic feeling of the teacher, and the students may use it again and again. They may watch it again and again if they have not got what the teacher taught. Now let me tell you how to create the pic voice. What all you have to do is just download it from the Play Store. Write down pic voice, PICVOICE, pic voice, and download it. Then after opening, you will see the same screen what you are looking at. Just 3 steps are there. Upload the pic, record the voice, and make pic voice. Okay, and share it wherever you want to share. Now use it from today only. If you like my video and if you really like it, you can share it, you can like it, and you can subscribe my channel for my further videos. Thank you.